What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but we are slowly getting the mistress ready to get back on the trail after our accident. If you don't remember, back in January, I rolled my truck over pretty gently, and well, we had a setback. A couple airbags went off, fender broke, my roof rack is cracked, but minor. But I've slowly been rebuilding it, and as of this week, she's ready to go. She's back on the road pretty much fully. I've got a few small things I'm tweaking. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing right now is doing an install on something I bought for the Tacoma that I got for Christmas that I never got around to installing because of the accident. Well, it's warm weather, camping's right around the corner, so today I'm going to be installing a Yota Twins grab handle for my tailgate. So it's going to go right here, and the big reason is I just put my fridge back here now, but my son sleeps here in the canopy on our trips. So we have a little bullet mattress, and well, he sleeps in there with our dog, and he's too weak to pull up the tailgate. Tacoma tailgates are pretty heavy, so we're gonna hope that this will help him get a grip, be able to pull it open and slowly close it and open it, you know, when he's in there and he wants to get out before we get out of the tent. So real quick, easy install. Let's get to it. I'll show you the parts we need. All right, right off the bat, this is what it comes. This is everything that it comes in the kit. You get to choose your color and pattern of your paracord. I did a tan OD green. Their products are awesome. I'll show you my oldest product for them and how well it's holding up. You get some mounts here, replacement screws. These are a number 11. So we got our socket here for 11, and you're gonna need a T30 Torx bit to remove these two right here. So it's real simple. We're going to remove, you'll find center, we're going to remove these two bolts. We're going to replace them with the mounts here, and it's pretty much that simple. Let's get to it. All right, first we're going to get our T30 star bit, and we're going to remove the two center ones. Removed those. Change that out for your number 11. Make sure you put it on forward. Okay, the way these sit, you got a flush end, and you're going to put your washer through. So it's going to go flush end down, washer bolt, and then you can kind of tweak these any direction you want them to best fit your setup. Start them by hand. That way we don't cross thread anything. Bolt washer through. I'm going to start these on the outside. Again, you can move these once they're in. Start it by hand, nice and slowly. They don't need to be super tight, they just need to be snug. Okay, these have little hooks so you can remove them when you're not using it, when you're at camp. You don't want this in your way. I have a mount hatch here, so my cutting board, I can throw this into my deck system, get rid of it, lay these flat, which is why I kind of push them out to the side a little bit. They'll lay nice and flat here so they're not in my way. Pop them up. Connect this, and that's that simple. That's how easy it is to put one of these Tacoma Twin tail. Again, just to show you just how easy this is. I laid them flat down. They're just on the outside of my mount hatch. They're pretty flush. Really don't stick up too much higher than the original bolts. Flip them up. Clip them in. And just that easy. So now my son can grab this, pull the tailgate closed, open it in the morning, and get in and out as he pleases without me having to get out of the tent. All right, that was a super quick and easy install of the Tacoma Twins tailgate grab handles. If you want to get yourself some, check out the link in the description. I am not sponsored by them. I know them personally. Those are two of the coolest guys I'll ever have met. They have some badass rigs, and then they love to get out on adventure, and they make practical paracord handles for overlanding. Let's go check out a product that I've had from them for years, and they're still holding up. I may get some new ones just to freshen up the color a little bit, but let's go take a look. All right, so I've had these grab handles for probably close to 7 years now, and these things are still absolutely solid. So they've definitely faded. These stayed red for the longest time. They did not turn pink immediately. They really did hold their color. I've never taken them off. The powder coating on their eyelets is just now starting to get a little faded, but it's not rusting at all, as you can see. Everything is solid. The color, it's a little bit pink, not a big deal, but still holds my full weight. 7 years later, I've got 2 of them, 1 for each side, and these things have been awesome. I got these only a few years ago, but it's kind of convenient, but I don't like putting my hand in behind the light. I bought those mainly for the light, and I have those just to get up into those totes. So another great product, tried and true. I've had them forever, and I would definitely buy them again. Like I said, I might buy another set just to freshen up the color, and they are 100% fine. So again, another product you can check out from the Tacoma Twins. All right, hope you liked the video. If this was useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down what color you'd go with. As you can see, I've wrapped my truck red. It was gonna be OD green, but they were out of that wrap, so I got a red wrap instead. Again, thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you on the trail soon.